Hi friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. Today we are going to discuss about the CSV file, what is CSV file and how we are going to create a CSV file using this Python. So basically CSV file stands for comma separated values file. As this functionality represents the name of the CSV file, like each line of the file is data recorded and each record consists of one or more fields separated by commas. That's why this named after this its functionality like CSV files. So how we are going to use or how we are going to create this CSV file using this Python. Let us for creating a CSV file we need to import two types of libraries here. They are pandas library, one of the most powerful Python libraries. Pandas as PD. PD represents a pandas. So we are initializing whatever it if we want to choose another with PD you can use, but I am using it with PD. It is a very useful while recognizing it one. So and second one we have to import. Second one we have to import like input output library, and then let's create the data which we need to insert into the CSV file. So data is equals to, we have to make that input function to string IO. String IO. This will make the data into a CSV format. We have to make triple quote here. After this triple quote we have to give the columns name in the first line, like name comma marks 1 and marks 2 and marks 3. So we need to check the students marks in three contents like mark 1 and mark 2 and mark 3. So we are going to separate this all by using the comma operator. There the functionality came into pictures. Here the first column is named as name. That's why we have to give the name of the student in the first column. I am giving Balu as first column and we have to separate it by a comma. Then only the CSV file understanding that this Balu belongs to name and the next coming element will be belongs to M1. In this way it will be allocating the data. So he has 20 marks and 21 marks and 23 marks. And coming to next like Suma got 23, 24, 25 marks. Here we have to end it with triple quotes. Here the data element is set, and again we have to make this data read like pd dot read CSV of data. This reading data should be in other like in another variable we have to store, where we are going to name it as a student info. So in this student info we are going to get this all data in the CSV file format. Let us see that one. Student info. See here, if you see here the name, under the name column we got Balu and Suma. Under the marks 1 it is coming first one 20, 23 marks. Under marks 2 it is coming 21 and 24. Under mark 3 it is coming 23 and 25. If you want more data you can add here, like how much of data you want you can add by using this comma operator. Let us add another like Sai here. Sai, he got 25 out of 25 and 21 comma 23, and let's run this again. See here another name instance is added here, like another data recorded also is recorded here, like Sai 25, 21, 23. And how we are going to get this info as a recorded format, as file format in the desired location. So see here, I want to get this data into this file location. I'm going to copy this file location here, and coming to here, we have to make a statement like to CSV. We are going to convert this variable into a CSV file in the location here. Python takes the backslash as the backslash here, and we have to name it as student info dot CSV. We have to specify the file format, and let's create this one. Let's run this. See here, no output is came. See, let us go to the file location and see there. See here, you can see the student info here. If you open this, you are going to get the same data here, like Balu 20, 21, 23, and marks as M1, M2, M3. This all came into here as a CSV file. It's look like a Excel file, but this is not Excel file. This is CSV file. See here, this a comma here this type of logo indicates that this is a CSV file. And that's it, guys. If you have any queries regarding this formation or creating this CSV files, let me know in the comment section. Thank you, guys.